So hi, so this is the problem which is comes in the contest of Leetcode, and in that problem you can see and we can see like the problem is concatenate array with the reverse. Means we have the array, and in that array the same array we just write in the uh, reverse order, like a palindrome number. We can check that means from starting to end it will happens or not. The same way you are given and you given an integer array of the length n, construct a new array a length of 2n 2 into n such that the first n element are the same as nums and the next n element are the element that reverse order, right? So that is the reverse order. So this is the formula basically we have to use, and then we can write this type of the code, that means this is type of the output. So basically there is the 1 2 3, this is the 1 2 3, now 3 2 1, that same thing as in reverse order, right? So this is the problem. Now I just write the code and I will explain as a brute force, right? The brute force is that means in the brute force approach, copy original array, traverse from int and push element. That means copy the original array first, this array I just copied, and then traverse from the int and push element, then push element, right? So in that what we can do, so in that I just do like vector int answer, I just copy of this array and now add original array. Now for int I is equal to 0 to I greater than is equal to nums dot size and I plus plus, right? Now answer dot push back of nums of I, right? This is now add reverse array. Now I just add reverse order. For I is for int I is equal to nums dot size minus 1 to I less than is equal to 0 and I minus minus, right? And then answer dot push back of nums of I, right? This is, and then return answer, right? This is, now see, yes, and then I will check, it will give the, yeah, it will pass the test cases, but I will write the that means in that the time complexity of order of n. Why? And a space is 2n. Why? Because I just have to take the space in 2n, right? This is the spaces which first is this and the second is this. So a space is 2n and the time complexity is order of n. Now the second approach using pre-sized vector. Pre-sized vector which means we have previously, and pre-sized vector which means the problem says that using this approach, right? In that create vector of size 2 into n, first half normally, second half is reverse order, right? So I just explain that code also. So int n is equal to nums dot size, right? And then vector int answer of 2 into n, right? Now for int I is equal to 0, I greater than is equal to and I plus plus. Now answer of I is equal to nums of I and then answer of I plus n is equal to nums of n minus I minus 1, right? So this is the, now I just write the return answer. What we can write is return answer and nothing. Now see, run or not, yes, and then pass the test case or not, yes, it will also pass the test cases. So in that the time complexity is order of n and the space is also 2n, right? Now I just go on the third approach, that is a very approach, and that is a very common approach which always comes in my mind. What do you think when you solve this problem? Like firstly we have to write this code and then I just reverse and then add this code, right? So just I will explain that code also. So vector int answer is equal to nums. I just copy, and again one more vector, and that is the reverse is equal to also the nums. Now reverse, and the reverse of nums dot, uh, that means reverse dot begin and reverse dot end, right? And now for int x is equal to reverse, and then answer dot pushback of x, and then just return the answer and nothing. Now see, it will pass the success or not. Yes. And submit it or not. So yes, it will submit it. So this is, and in that the time complexity is order of n, space is order of 2n. The all the approaches have the same thing. So in that, uh, okay, so in that I just have to see like a approaches which single loop most optimized, clean logic and context friendly is to write the 2n, that means where we have to take the species of this 2n, and then I just write the code, right? So this is, and in that in all three is the same time complexity order of n and species to order of 2n. So thank you for sharing till the end, and please like and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.